In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox crashing on your PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if Roblox keeps crashing every time you launch a game or randomly closes when you're playing, you're definitely not alone. This issue can happen for a number of reasons, including corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, background applications, overheating, or problems with the Roblox installation itself. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through several methods to fix Roblox crashing on your PC. Alright, before trying anything else, make sure your PC isn't overheating. If your CPU or graphics card reaches excessively high temperatures, Roblox may freeze, crash, or close unexpectedly. Check that your PC's fans are spinning properly and the air vents aren't blocked by dust or other debris. If you're using a laptop, place it on a hard flat surface instead of a bed, couch, or blanket so the cooling vents aren't blocked. If your PC feels unusually hot, let it cool down for a few minutes before launching Roblox again. If Roblox is still crashing, let's move on to the next method. Alright, to do this, you need to close Roblox and then you want to go to settings. From here on the left, go to the apps section and then click on installed apps. And here you need to look for your Roblox. You can use the search feature, just type in Roblox and it'll be this one. Now just click on the three dots on the right and select advanced options. And here you need to scroll down and first you need to close Roblox completely. You can click terminate here and it will close Roblox, and then you can either repair or reset your Roblox. So the first one you can try is to repair it. You can click repair, wait for it to finish, and then you can launch Roblox again and check if it's still crashing. If it doesn't, you need to reset it. So all of the app's data will be deleted, but don't worry, your account will be safe. You just need to log in again and everything will be back. So now just hit reset again, wait for it to finish. Now launch Roblox again and see if that fixes the problem. Alright, after you repair or reset your Roblox, try to launch the game and join any experience. See if the problem is still there. If it's still crashing though, there's another thing that you can do, which is updating your graphics driver. So let's minimize Roblox for a second and go to Windows Search, type in Device Manager. So this one, open it up. Here, look for display adapters and you'll see your graphics adapters here. For me, it's NVIDIA. It might be different for you, but you need to download the latest driver for your GPU. You can right click on your GPU, click search automatically for drivers, but usually you need to download it to your GPU brand's website. So for NVIDIA, you can go to nvidia.com. I'll put the link in the description. Once you're here, just download the latest driver for your GPU. You can download the automatic driver updates. For AMD, you can go to amd.com and you can download the auto installer. For Intel, you can go to intel.com and download the latest one. Now for me, because I have an NVIDIA GPU, the driver I have installed is NVIDIA app. You can open it up and then you want to go to drivers, download the latest one. Now the next thing you can also do is to close background applications. You can press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard to open up Task Manager, and from here you can close any application that you don't use currently. For example, Steam, I don't really use it right now and it's taking up resources. So what I can do is just right click on it and hit End Task. Close as many apps as possible, but be careful with it. Make sure to not close any Windows application. And that's basically it. It should fix your Roblox from crashing. If it still does though, you might need to uninstall it completely and reinstall it from scratch. So that'll be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.